Those kindergartners were adorable and oh so proud of themselves. Well, another group who should be mighty proud are the construction and manufacturing students at Chesterfield's Technical Center. They've been busy building a house and revitalizing a neighborhood.
We wanted to try to create some high-interest activities for students in the construction industry. That's the second largest industry in America right now, and yet it seems to have been the hardest one to recruit students into. Students nowadays are more interested in getting into computers, doing flashier things, and yet as long as people want to live in nice homes, this is going to be an industry that's going to stick around in this community. So we wanted to have something that was high interest, that students would find more meaningful maybe than just learning about carpentry in a classroom or electricity. And so we came up with the idea of building a house. And it's been a real experience. We've had some delays and some setbacks and different things along the way, but we finally have gotten it up.
At first it was because I knew I could have a job the second year, but then I found out that we'd be working on the house, and I started liking it, and then I figured I'd take it as a career.
I've always liked to build ever since I was young. Since second grade, I've had my own toolbox, and I've done decks and things like that around my house and home improvements. And I saw the opportunity when I was in 10th grade to take the carpentry program as a junior, and it's a 2-year program, so you take it your junior and senior year.
Well, we've had a variety of students. And we've had the carpentry students are the ones that lay the foundation, but we also have electricity, HVAC, and plumbing students that are all involved in it. But it's a wide variety of students. We have a lot that are going to college that just wanted to learn a little bit about it and maybe get interested in it, maybe for a career or something on the side. We've had some that probably want to go into it and do it right away to earn a living. So it covers a broad spectrum. Some of them are college bound, some of them probably will go right into the industry.
This partnership came about through some communication between our executive director, Pat Patterson, and some of the staff of the Chesterfield Technical Center. And I think this is a win-win for everyone. Number one, it will help us fulfill our mission. Number two, it will help the students to learn that they may also grow up to be able to participate and to support creating helping neighborhoods, because there is a need for skills such as carpenter, plumbers, and so forth. And the students will have the opportunity to have hands-on, to build a project that they can see and they can say, this house on Osborne Avenue, we hope build that in partnership with Interfaith Housing. So we're all excited about that.
Well, I think the biggest thing is that it creates a very meaningful experience for our young people, and also adds value to the community. You can't find a better way to help people understand, especially our students, why they do things in school than to see how it can actually contribute to the quality of life of others. And I think this partnership has provided an excellent laboratory for young people to learn that experience.
We have an opportunities day that interviewers actually come in, they'll sit down with our students and actually talk with them. So when they come in to talk, say, what do you know of this job? What can you do? The students will, I know how to build a wall. I know how to use a skill saw. I know how to use a mortar box. I know how to put tees, corners, jacks, and headers together. They'll be able to have a nice interview with the businesses that come in at CTC.
I've learned how to frame, I've learned how to floor frame, I've learned how to build porches and decks, and I've also learned how to measure and lay out plates.
Well, I hope this has brought attention to the construction industry, that this is a very vital industry where workers are desperately needed, and they're good jobs. They're jobs that are in demand, they're beginning to have better benefits, and they're a need for the community. The community needs good technicians to work on houses. We have students that need good jobs. It's just a nice combination, and we hope this has brought attention to that, away from some of the maybe flashier things that people see in society. The construction industry has staying power, and it's going to be around in this area, so we hope our students and our community realize that and maybe might try to get more students interested in this.
The real value of this partnership is for us to have an understanding that we cannot do this work alone, so there needs to be partnership. And one of the things, when you get the school system and nonprofits and governments working together, that's a win-win situation. And all of the students will be there to understand this, and it'll be a learning process, and we all profit by it.
I think the value that these young people will have from building this home will well past the time that they're in school. I can imagine when they can bring their children down and they have families and they can say, I contributed to building this home, but also see a family emerge from that home. I mean, what better way can you feel that you've made a contribution that's long-standing than to see someone in a home that you participated in building?